If you want an A-star in psychology, in this video I'm going to be going over 3 simple actionable steps that you can use to help you do so, whether you're in year 12 or year 13. Hi, I'm Loveleen. I achieved an A-star in psychology, and you can also access my A-star psychology notes by buying them using the link in the comments. Now, starting off with tip number 1, the first thing is the way you make your notes. Now, a lot of the time people just make notes, never use them again, and it's often done just because it feels productive. And I completely understand, this is exactly what I used to do, but I'd never end up going back and using my notes. So to stop that from happening, the first thing that you need to do is actually make your notes into a revision resource. The way I would do that is, instead of just writing down subheadings and notes, I would actually change my subheading into a question. By doing this, it meant that I could use my notes as a flashcard instead, and I wasn't wasting time making another revision resource. Tip number 2 is to make sure that you're not writing essays. Now, I know that sounds odd, especially because psychology is an essay subject, but writing essays is often time consuming, and you only want to be doing it when you're doing exam practice questions. Otherwise, when you're doing revision, it's better to create essay plans so that you're prepared to know what to write for every single essay type of question, but you're not wasting time spending all of that writing. Tip number 3 is to make sure you're doing regular spaced revision. This is really important because psychology is definitely one of the most content heavy subjects, so by doing regular revision, it means you're staying on top of everything, you're remembering it, and you're doing exam practice on questions to make sure that you are hitting the mark scheme points.